You searched how to buy shares of Orbis Se, so here is a quick walkthrough. Orbis Se operates in the hospitality sector and its shares trade on Xetra under the ticker OBS.DE. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. To buy shares, you will need a brokerage account, and we will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually by uploading an identity document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker OBSDE to find Orbis Se. Confirm the listing is on Xetra and select the matching company from the results. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart showing recent market activity, so double-check the company name and the OBS.DE ticker to confirm you have the correct share. Click Invest to open the order screen. Enter the amount you want to buy, review the order details, and confirm to place it. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or placed as a limit order, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before confirming. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio. For convenience, the eToro link is provided in the video description if you want to explore the platform.